Hello friends, welcome to this course. I shall first begin with a disclaimer followed by a claimer. First, here is a disclaimer. The information in this course is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Never delay seeking medical advice just because of something that you have learned in this course. Further, this course will not provide you with any specific diagnosis or treatment of individual cases. Following the disclaimer, here is a claimer. All the information contained in this course has been tested in the clinic by many medical doctors, homeopaths, and healers. You should learn how the system works, when it works, and also know its limitations. These will be your keys to success. We must always follow two fundamental principles of the art of healing. The first is rule number 1, do no harm. And the second is always be compassionate. So friends, thank you very much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to interacting with you in the course that follows. Thank you once again, and bye-bye.